बच्चों, लास्ट क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर के बारे में, कंपाइलर और इंटरप्रेटर। टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज। फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज आर combination of languages with following features। फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज क्या है? बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस को मिला करके फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज बनाया गया। सम फीचर्स ऑफ फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज। फर्स्ट, दे आर हाईली यूजर फ्रेंडली। फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज में आप आसानी से प्रोग्राम लिख सकते हैं, ये यूजर फ्रेंडली है। नेक्स्ट, रिड्यूस लेवल ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल्स। इसमें आप आसानी से प्रोग्राम लिख सकते हैं, जो डिफिकल्टीज थी उसको रिड्यूस किया गया है। नेक्स्ट, दे हैव वेरी हाई स्पीड ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन। और फोर्थ जनरेशन लैंग्वेज के प्रोग्राम का एग्जीक्यूशन बहुत फास्ट है। नेक्स्ट, द मिनिमाइज द एफर्ट्स फ्रॉम द यूजर टू ऑब्टेन एनी इंफॉर्मेशन। यू कैन easily get any information from fourth generation language program. Next, we get the output of any program without bothering about the steps involved. And in a fourth generation language program, you can easily get the output of any programs, and it provides a simple steps to get the output of a programs. Some important points are given there. In C or C++ programming language, using Alt plus F9 to compile the program, run basically, and Control plus F9 to compile program. Next, some high level languages. अब हम लोग कुछ हाई लेवल लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में जानेंगे। एंड द फर्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इज बेसिक। बेसिक स्टैंड्स फॉर बिगिनर्स ऑल पर्पस सिंबॉलिक इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड। इट वाज डेवलप्ड बाय जॉन केमनी एंड थॉमस कोट्स in early 60s. It is a general purpose language which is very popular among schools going students and learners. In early days, basic are very popular in schools for learning process. It is developed by scientists John Kearney and Thomas Coates in 60s. Full form of basic are beginners all purpose symbolic instructions code. These are the simples and basic programming language. Next programming language is COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. It was developed for the need of the business world and performs various tasks like developing and processing accounts and payroll system as well as stock management. COBOL are basic common business oriented language. As the name suggests, it is developed for the purpose of business organizations or business world. It can perform account operations like payroll systems, and stock management systems. These are very popular among business and its related houses for preparing all those accounts related details, payroll system related details, and stock management system. Next programming language is Pascal. It is a structured programming language used for business and a specific and scientific purpose. It has been named after the French mathematician Blaise Pascal, who had invented Pascal's adding machine. Pascal's is a structured programming language. It is used business as well as scientific purposes. It has named after the French mathematician Blaise Pascal, who had invented Pascal's adding machine. These are the Pascal's languages. Next language is Fortran. Fortran stands for Formula Translator. It is designed to simplify and speed up the complex scientific applications. It was developed by John Backus. Fortran, it stands for Formula Translator. It is used in complex scientific applications and it is developed by John Backus. It is used by scientists, researchers to develop applications, and it was developed by John Backus, who is a scientist that developed the Fortran language. Next language is Logo. It uses Turtle graphics to teach simple designing to children. Logo was developed by Willy Furiging and Seymour Papert. Logo stands for Language of Graphics Oriented. It is a simple designing programs for children using as a turtle graphics, and it is developed by Willy Furiging and Seymour Papert, who is a scientist that developed the Logo language. Next language is C. C is a programming language used for designing system software. It was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories. C is called a programming languages. It is used for designing a system software. It is also called a mother of programming language. Generally, in programming or programmers start learning from C languages, because in a C language we can develop a system softwares that are very difficult to develop, and it is developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie, who is a scientist of AT&T Bell Laboratories. Is the name of laboratories where C language invented. by Dennis Ritchie. Next programming language is C++. It is an object-oriented language. It is popularly used to develop system softwares. It was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1983 at AT&T Bell Laboratories to enhance the effectiveness of C language. C language is most popular programming language. It is also called object-oriented language. In C++, we can develop our system softwares. It is developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1983 at the same lab, AT&T Bell Laboratories, where C language invented. It is also called the enhancements of C language, where some extra features added to C language, and the main concept is object oriented. And the most popular programming language is Java. It is an advanced programming language that has been derived from C and C++. Java was introduced in 1995 by Sun Microsystems, and currently in the whole world Java programming language were used, because it supports the object-oriented concepts and its program run on any hardware platforms like electronic goods, mobile phones, and any machines. Next, let's remind. A language is a medium to express our view and feelings either verbally or symbolically. लैंग्वेज एक मीडियम है एक्सप्रेस करने का हमारे व्यू को, फीलिंग्स को, आइदर मौखिक और सिंबॉलिक. ए लैंग्वेज इज नेसेसरी टू कम्युनिकेट विथ अ कंप्यूटर. लैंग्वेज नेसेसरी है कम्युनिकेशन के लिए, आइदर कंप्यूटर और एनी पीपल. The process of writing a specific instruction in a computer language is called programming. Machine language is the only language that a computer understands. It makes use of zero and ones only. One only. An assembly language must be converted into machine language. An assembler is required to convert an assembly language program into machine language. High-level language have become easy to learn. A compiler converts high-level language program into machine language. Many high-level languages are available in the market nowadays, as we discussed earlier. After that, some questions are given. What is programmer? What is translator? What is the full form of COBOL? And some multiple choice questions. After that, take the correct options. Write the answer of the following questions and fill in the blanks with the suitable box. Then match the following. Then write the contributions of the following in the development of languages. All students, please go through the video very carefully and solve all the questions of chapter 1. And send them in a respective class group. If you have any doubts regarding any questions, then you can ask. Thank you.